Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, or if you're new and watching this video at a later date, it'll be known as Condensed. Today, for those of you guys that don't know, I just came back from vacation. If you're watching this, it'll probably be next week, so it was probably last week that I went on vacation, but I just came back from vacation today, and I was jumping on the live stream, and so I wanted to talk about like the last 3 days and how I would have dealt with it last year compared to this year. Last year I was doing a lot more swing trading and a lot less long-term investing strategy. So last year what would have happened is, Monday morning was when we left. We left, I believe, at like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. So I would have been up since like 5:30. Woke up in the morning, checked the markets, punched in all my numbers that I wanted, started getting my buy, sell, limit orders, all that kind of stuff set, and get ready to close and open positions. And then the entire drive from my house to where we're living now to Palm Springs or India, where we were going on vacation. First of all, we went to Oceanside to check out a car, and then we went over to India, Palm Springs area. Would have been a lot more stressful. I would have been constantly checking the Robinhood app, which is the app that I would swing trading on before that. And I would have been constantly like, oh my gosh, like, do I get in this trade? Do I get out of this trade? And about a year ago, I really didn't have much of a strategy. I had a strategy, but it wasn't really fine-tuned, and I wasn't really like sticking to it as hardcore as I did probably like the last 9 months. And so, like I was saying, it would have been a very, very stressful time, and especially if I didn't turn profit, if I took losses over the last like 3 days since I've been on vacation, I would have been so upset and so frustrated. It probably would have ruined a lot of our time spent as a family just because of normal trading in the market. Some days you get 3 days, especially with swing trading. Some swing trades you'll get 3 reds in a row, and it's not really like the most exciting thing. It doesn't make you feel good. However, I've more changed my strategy and restructured my Robinhood portfolio to be more of a long-term setup style. So now I only have about 25% of my money actually allocated towards swing trading. And for about the past 6 months, I haven't really done any swing trading. I've just been using it more as liquidity in the account. So if I want to buy a stock on a dip or something like that, then I go ahead and make moves to make that happen. For me, the last 3 days has been like the most relaxing thing I've ever done. I pop on and I'm like, the market's red today. Oh well, like I'll check it in a couple of days and we'll see where it's at. And wake up the next time, I'm like, the market's not doing too good today. I'm like, that's all right. I'll check it in a few days and put the phone back down. And I mean, I would check it, open and close to make sure that nothing's like completely just dropping, like completely tanking. Like obviously you gotta make sure that you're not going to like lose all your assets in one day, but obviously that hasn't happened, and I don't think it will happen. Like I was saying, it's been one of the most relaxing things that I've done while on vacation was looking at the market, because I'm like, this really doesn't affect me as much as it did a year ago, 2 years ago, especially when I was day trading more. Like I was like, wow, this is really affecting me a lot emotionally. So I think coming from the long-term investor standpoint is not making those steep like changes in your portfolio can really help, like honestly save a vacation. Hashtag save a vacation, you know what I'm saying? So I would say set up a long-term strategy, especially for me, and work that strategy before ever looking into swing trading. And if you're going to go on vacation as a trader, close your positions before you go on vacation. Close your positions before you go on vacation, so that way you can take those 3 to 4 days to enjoy the family. And literally, as a trader, do not look at the market, because you're going to get stuck. So you're like, oh man, I could have went into that one, I would have been in green. Oh, I could have went into that one, I would have been green. So just don't look at the market, so that way you don't have the opportunity to let your emotions get the best of you while you're spending that all important time with the fam bam. Anyways, guys, it has been real. Thank you for watching. Feel free to join me on the live stream where I give away half an ounce of silver every single Saturday to the person who has the most K coin. If you're wondering what K coin is, feel free to comment on the live stream and check it out. I'll keep it a secret until then. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. See you later.